Now, viewers, it's time to shift our focus to other developments. Multiple states in India, including Uttarakhand, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, are currently under crisis, affected by the recent deluge. As per the reports, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to visit these states that have been affected heavily by the floods to assess and review the situation of the destruction and the massive damage that has been caused by it. All right, even in Punjab, in the latest, the damage which can be seen at the maximum level is also in fact requiring also help. Joining me for more details is my colleague Arzu Seth. Arzu, what is the schedule of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to visit all these flood affected states? And in fact, this information is coming up right now, the states are in a battered situation, while if we speak of Himachal Pradesh or Jammu and Kashmir as well.
Well, definitely, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting multiple rain-affected states to assess the situation and review the ongoing relief and rescue operation. This is what we are getting to know from the government sources. Also, in the past few weeks, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand have been devastated by the floods and fresh floods and the landslides triggered by the incessant rainfall. So the Prime Minister is expected to visit these 4 states and review the relief efforts. So definitely there were several programs that has also been cancelled, and now Prime Minister is planning to visit all these states which have been affected by the flood and by the rainfall. More than 500 people have been killed as the northern states have experienced one of their worst weather disaster in decades. So fresh landslides, fresh floods, collapsing buildings have claimed dozens of life in the last 2 days. Highway remain closed, river are flowing above the danger mark, crops have been damaged, destroyed due to the relentless rain, and continuous rain have caused these disasters. So definitely the Prime Minister is going to meet all those who have been affected from